Greg Jones from Alexandria, 1936 Auburn Motel Speedster. The car is a replica, which means it's built from the ground up, but in a modern version in 2008, of a 1936 Auburn Motel Speedster. Now, the Auburn Motel Speedster in 1935 and 36, they were built in near Auburn, Indiana, and they were designed by a famous car designer named Gordon Burek. The designation in the grill, if you saw 852, that means it's a 1936. A 1935 would have an 851 designation in the grill. The originals were powered by a straight 8 Lycoming engine with a supercharger on it, and they were 150 horsepower, which was a lot of horsepower for the time, 1936. They were also guaranteed to do at least 100 miles an hour, maybe a little bit more. In fact, each one of them came with was test driven from the factory, and a plaque was bolted to the dash certifying that Auburn Speedster had been driven in excess of 100 miles an hour. So I guess that was kind of a sales pitch. The Auburn Company was in existence in Auburn, Indiana from 1900 to 1936 when they went out of business. It was owned by a gentleman named E.L. Cord, who also owned the Cord Automobile Company and the Duesenberg Automobile Company. He owned Auburn, Cord, and Duesenberg, and he was a multi-millionaire. So he put a lot of money into the design of the Auburns and the Cords and the Duesenbergs, and he put a lot of money into the horsepower and the engines for these cars. They were very special cars for the time.